Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can remove your phone number from your Microsoft account. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser on your personal computer and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, search for Microsoft.com and sign into your account. You will then be redirected to the home page of the website. Simply click on the profile icon located at the top right corner and select the My Microsoft Account option from the drop-down menu. A new page will now open up on your browser. Simply get to the Your Info tab from the left side menu and all of the information about your account will be displayed. You just need to scroll down a little bit and click on the Sign in Preferences link. After that, click on the Remove button beside phone number to remove it from your account. So that's basically how you can remove your phone number from your Microsoft account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.